Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 3D parallax effect in CapCut using layered images and animation. To start, we need different photos that we'll use as layers on top of each other. For the main background, we use this pink sky and place it into the timeline. For the second layer, drag this rock image onto the timeline. Then go to remove background and select auto removal. You'll see the pink sky appear behind the rock. Resize it and place it in the right position. Next, we drag the desert photo on top of the previous layers. Since the background of this photo can't be removed with auto removal, we use custom removal and brush the areas we want to keep. CapCut will recognize and perfectly remove the rest of the background, resize and place it at the bottom of the screen. For the front image, we choose this funny robot, drag it to the timeline and again use auto removal to separate the robot from its background. Resize it and place it in the right spot. Now comes the fun part, animating the layers. Place your timeline at the first frame. We'll skip the sky because we don't want it to move. Select the rock layer, go to the video panel and click the blue dot in front of scale, then drag the timeline to the last frame and increase the scale, for example, up by 7%. Repeat this process for the desert layer, but this time increase the scale more than 7%, let's say around 12%. Now do the same for the robot and increase the scale even more, maybe around 15% to really make it pop forward. Feel free to experiment with the scaling values to get the best depth effect. To make it even more 3D, add these stars to the timeline, go to the blend section, change the mode to screen, and repeat the scale animation process, but increase the scale even more than the other elements to push it to the front. Then go to Effects, choose Blur Spot, and tweak the settings to create a smooth, final look. And here you have it, a stunning 3D parallax effect using simple photos and CapCut PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe for more creative tutorials. See you in the next one.